Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video we are bringing you guys to Smorgasburg, LA, which is pretty much like a foodie heaven full of like food trucks and just cool food. I think there's like maybe 100 shops. So yeah, you're gonna check it out. We're gonna try some vegan Cuban food. We're gonna try vegan donuts. Look at Fred all excited. Get excited, get hyped, babe. Oh, you don't want to do it in front of the camera. Oh my god, he's texting and driving. Oh wait, but he's not texting. He's just using his phone and driving. Hey, Yessie!
Hi, everyone!
There's a lot happening right now.
Too much happening.
I know.
But we are in the Tesla heading near downtown LA to go to Smorgasburg. We're so excited. Thanks for watching.
Johnny P.
So we're in the sketchy part of LA. I'll vlog a little. Remember this where that guy yelled?
Oh, there's the police. They're like, hey, get out of the way.
Oh my god, what's going on?
He's in the middle of the thing.
Alright, so Smorgasburg is located like literally outside of like the sketch areas of LA. It's actually like new and clean and safe when you get there, but when you're driving there, it's like, whoa. So, just a heads up.
Whoa.
Were you guys scared?
I ain't scared of nothing.
You're a Chavez. You're just invincible. Last time we came here, it was really crowded. Today's like perfect. So come when it's cold.
I'll get that sampler platter and a meat pie.
You guys, we found the vegan Cuban food and it is legit. We just ordered it. Fred's so happy. Look at his Cuban ass. You glad you slumped here, babe?
Yes, he does not look very impressed. Let me just say that.
I am impressed.
Yes, he's gonna have her first.
Say
You're like,
that for me.
Alright y'all, so this is a vegan Cuban sandwich. Tell me you probably can't find this in Florida. Only in Cali. So I've already eaten part of it and it's actually pretty good. Cuban sandwiches always make me feel really freaking full after I eat them. And I kind of like this one because I'm not as full as I normally am. And then this is yellow rice, black beans, and this is a Cuban dish called picadillo. I was calling it picadillo, but then I figured out it's called picadillo. And yeah, let's see. Yeah, it tastes legit. Really close to what picadillo tastes like. It's made out of jackfruit. Yeah, if you're looking for vegan Cuban food in LA, this is your spot. So let's see what the next spot is.
Wait, are you gonna do the hokey pokey?
That's the flavor I got. I don't even know how to do the hokey pokey.
You turn around. Oh. Okay, that's too much.
Oh,
for
let's
the
do it
hokey
together.
pokey.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god.
You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself about. Sonia? And that's what it's all about.
Thank you. Oh, by the way, this is Sonia. She just made it to LA.
Hi.
So we go way back to Florida times.
Yes.
So we're bringing the ratchetness out to Cali.
Yes.
She's like, okay, I'll just agree to what he's saying.
Would you like some chocolate?
Oh, sorry, wrong photo shoot. Do you guys know what artisanal means? Because we have no idea. Do you know?
I don't really know the true definition. Do you know?
Artisanal.
It's art is.
What the fuck? I knew she was gonna come up with something random. Art.
Hey Siri, what is art? Hold on. Define artisanal.
Oh,
That's helpful.
What is it?
you're like an artisan. Like you're good at your craft.
Okay.
Now
So
you're
an
like,
artist made. Oh, it's true. Artists did make these.
Okay, it's like it's different than the normal. Is that what it is?
they're like a expert in their field, right?
Yeah.
Artisan.
Yes.
That is my
Define.
contribution for today.
Define. Bitch. Okay. Siri bitch. Oh, not Apple Pay.
Very bitch. Oh man. That is a mean way
Define
to talk to you.
artisan. Define artisan.
Crazy. Where are we going?
We're at the secret swing. It's Sonia's first time at the secret swing. Yessie's first time. Last time, you guys know what happened when I came up here. I'm glad I made it back down safe and didn't die.
Well, it's like a 5-minute hike.
No, but you do lose your breath by the time you get up there.
Why?
Climb up a volcano.
SOS.
Oh my god.
Don't die, Sonia.
I don't know what that is still. We're right there. Oh shit.
Oh my god. SOS. We made it. And I'm tired. And out of breath. You're out of shape. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah. We were dying. We were dying.
We
dead.
made it, y'all.
That was scary. Not gonna lie.
Barely, but we made it. Make sure spray on.
Just let me know.
Cute.
Okay, hold on. That's cute. That's cute. You're good, you're good.
Okay.
I will let you know. I caught
But go. I'm
What?
getting outtakes.
What are you doing? Okay.
Act cool.
Act cool.
Act cool.
Don't be cool. Act cool. Come on, swing.
You want me to give you a push?
Do not push me.
No push? Okay.
Okay, one more.
John,
Here we
instead of like here.
go. One more.
Oh, there's our house.
Right there, right there.
Bro, when that one girl was on top of that tree, I was getting a little worried.
Okay.
Okay,
Look at people's footsteps.
There's like so many.
You got
Okay,
this.
gosh.
If not, we got an all-in-tape girl. We could just slide down. No, okay.
I'm laughing at that because I think they were sliding down.
I would suggest be careful on this.
Freddie's just slipped and fell.
I didn't fall.
You just slipped?
Freddie didn't slip and fall.
I slipped.
Do you have your life alert thing? You're not wearing your life alert necklace?
I don't even know.
What the fuck did you do?
God, you guys. Those are the coolest people in the world.
Okay, look.
Why aren't we like them?
Step,
Rub your toes left, right?
step.
Look at Fred figuring out.
I'm really scared. I can't.
Use your hands.
You chose this life. This is the path it goes. You have more grip than
For
me.
the record, I was dragged here.
She was like, no, I was dragged to.
She's like, on my birthday.
I did not plan for
Happy
this.
birthday.
I got a cute selfie out of it, but
First birthday and last birthday.
I think the grass is
about
more
to
like...
sit down.
Fred, just catch her.
I ain't about this.
Jump.
Can we call the helicopter back? Y'all saw us waving.
SOS. Sorry.
Sorry.
We did it! Now don't get hit by this car.
Bottle. In the car.
Yeah, yes, he has a water
Oh,
bottle.
I do have water.
When your new Jordans.
Hey.
Hey, new J's.
Yeah, see?
Stepped on my J's.
Those look nice, actually.
That would have went cute with your picture.
Oh my god.
Giving me nurse mode.